Okay, welcome guys. This is video number 3 on cubes and cube roots, and in this video what we're going to learn sums of exercise 4b. We've learned in in video number 1 what is cubes and what is cube roots and like many basics of cubes and cube roots. And then we also learned what is 1 to 11 cubes. And in video number 2 we learned few properties or few concepts like what number to be multiplied, what number to be divided, and how to get that perfect cube roots and how to get that perfect cubes of certain numbers. We also saw cubes of even numbers, cubes of odd numbers, cubes of multiplications, or cubes of products, or cube roots of divisions or fractions, or cube roots of decimal numbers. We saw everything, and now it's time to move ahead with sums of exercise 4b, or how we're going to do the sums based on the cubes and cube roots. Okay, so let's begin with sum number 1. So what is this sum number 1? Find the cube root of 4096. Find cube root of 4096. Now how to begin, guys? How to begin? Okay, so you can, by the way, you can do it in one step, but you'll have to wait for that towards the end of this video. Okay, uh, ah, I have taught you students how to find a cube root of 4096. But if you do not remember, you can do like this way also now. So cube root of 4096. By the way, this is not rougher. I am just writing on the other side so that I can finish off everything on one window. You will go to write down over here only this 4096 in your notebook. Okay. So I'll start dividing. It will become 2048. Then 2 I'll divide it. It will become 1024. Now I hope everyone remember this game on their iPad or phone or on somewhere on the Android phones also. Like there was number 1024. Now 2, this will become 512. And I guess you remember this 512 is a cube root of 8, isn't it? You can directly do that, but if you do not know even that one, you can keep doing that. Move ahead, move ahead, move ahead type. Okay. Now I'm assuming that I'm a layman, I don't know anything, so I'm just doing it like that way. Okay, so this will become 256, isn't it? Then that will become 2, this will become 128, and then that will become 2. If I divide, it will become 64. Now then that will get divided by 2 and it will become say 32, and then that will get divided by 2 and then that will become 16, and go on doing these like prime factorization so on. So 2 will become 8, and then that will become 2, 4, and then that will become 2, and then that will become 2, and then that will become 2 and 1. I hope you understood everything, isn't it? Now it's time to club them. Okay, this is one pair. Okay, I'm just making the group of 3 3 2s. Okay, bundles of 3 3. Okay, 1, 2 bundles, now 3 bundles, and now one more bundle, 4 bundles, isn't it? So I can write down this as like cube root of 4096 as 4 bundles. Okay, so you can write it out like this way also. Cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, one bundle, and then 2 bundles, 2 into 2 into 2. Remember that in between that there has to be multiplication signs. And then third bundle, 2 into 2 into 2. And then there was one more bundle, fourth bundle, isn't it? There were 4 bundles. Do you remember? 2 into 2. So it's very simple, guys. And now it can become, see, remember that there has to be written 3 inside this V shape only. Do not write anywhere here or here or here or किधर भी मत लिखना, उसको बराबर जगह पे लिख दीजिए. Okay, guys, there is a proper space which is inside the V symbol. So it will become, okay, from here only one single 2 will come. From here one single 2 will come. From here one single 2 will come. And from here one single will come. And then that 2 getting multiplied by itself 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is a 16. So cube root of 4096 is 16. Now this is so simple, isn't it? Did you find it very, very simple? You can do it with many other methods, guys. You can do it with many other methods. Okay, like यहाँ पर हम लोग लिख सकते थे 2 into 5 and 2, and then cube root of like 4016 can be done as triple two into 512, and triple two can be done as 2, and 512 cube root can be done as 8, and 8 to the 16. That way भी अगर लिखते हैं तो भी आपके बहुत सारे टीचर्स सही मार्क्स दे देते हैं. I hope you understood this perfectly, isn't it? In case anyone has any doubts, you can surely ask me, or you can raise hand and you can pause the video and copy paste this in case if you have not completed it. Let's move ahead with one more example of the same type of the questions. I'll take a little small and simple example, like say 8,000. So what is cube root of 8,000? Now I'll just teach you in the different way. Okay. Now, if you want to do this by prime factorization, you can surely do that. But I will recommend something like this also. Like, you can do that as cube root of 8 into 1,000. Okay. Make sure that you write cube root till the end. Okay. Not somewhere in the middle. It should be covering all the like entire product. And that can be done as cube root of 8 into cube root of 1,000. Isn't it? And what is cube root of 8? It'll be 2. And what is cube root of 1,000? It's 10. So the answer is cube root of 8,000 is 20. My dear students, I hope you understood this perfectly and you completed solving also by your own, isn't it? If not, you can pause the video and copy paste it quickly in your book. Hurry up, guys. Anyone has any doubts or difficulties, surely you can raise your hand immediately. Let's start doing question number 2. What's question number 2, guys? Let me put it up on the screen. Question number 2. Now the question is find the cube root of uh, two numbers they have given. Cube root of like 64 into 729. One second, guys. Sorry. 64 into 729. So what you can do, guys, you can just simply split this cube root of 64 into cube root of 729. And that's the reason, guys, I mentioned to you right in the beginning. I mean, when beginning video number 1 was taught, I mentioned to you all, please by heart at least first 11 numbers cubes perfectly, so that your chapter becomes really super duper simple, guys. So 64 cube root is 4 and 729 cube root is 9. So 9 4s are 36, guys. Isn't it super duper simple? It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. If you know the basics of this chapter, the sums are really, really simple. I guess this is sum number 4. And there is a part number 7 also. I'll just try and do. I'm just a little choosy with my question, guys. Okay. Okay. So it's 3375. Okay. Cube root of 3375 into 512. No problem. If you do know something, no problem. That's also absolutely fine. Now 3375 हमको पता नहीं है तो क्या करने का, no problem. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll do, okay, do not, first of all, remember that do not multiply these huge numbers. Okay, it will become little huge kind of thing. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले split करेंगे 3375, because we know that 512 is a cube root of 8, isn't it? Cube root of 512. Now 3375 I don't know. So what I am doing, I'm just doing that 3375 cube root. 3375. So if I do that, it will become 2. Okay, 5. 5. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, you can do 3 also, guys. Okay, by the way, this is 15s. I know that, but still. Okay. So 3. One second. I'll just 3 is a 11 and 25. 3 is a, and then 3 is a 9 and 22, 3 sevens are, and 53 fives are, and then 3, I guess it will become 125, and then that becomes like 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 5. Isn't it? I hope you understood this. So this will become cube root of 3 into 3 into 3, and 125 can be done as, okay, you may write it down like this also, into 125 into cube root of 512. And now that can be split as cube root of, okay, 3 into 3 into 3 in one bracket, then cube root of 125. You understood, guys, how I'm splitting? I'm splitting. I hope you understood that. So these are little split ups, okay? 3 into 512. I mean cube root of 512. And the final answer will become, what is cube root of 3 into 3 into 3? That's, I mean, basically 27. So that is Cube root of 27 will become 3. Or else it's a group of threes. It's a group of threes, and that too they are 3. So 3. What's cube root of 125? So it will be just 5. What is the cube root of 512? That's 8. So 8 5s are 40, 40 into 3, 120. Yeah, correct. Or 15 into 3, 50, okay, 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 8, 120. Do whatever. The answer will be perfectly done like this. I hope you understood this. Isn't it very, very simple, guys? Yes, that's super duper simple. Now the next number. Okay, imagine if there would have been some negative number over here. So the answer would have been straight away this negative and then this negative and then this would be negative and so the product would be negative. You understood, guys? Okay. I hope you got it. What? Okay. This negative is not visible. Fine. I'll just put it in the red. If this 5 and 2 would have been negative, then this 5 and 2 would be negative. This 5 and 2 would be negative. This negative I've taken it out, and so this 8 would be negative. So the product would be negative 120. I hope you understood this. Isn't it very very simple? I mean, I just give the example so that the next sum will become simple for you all. Okay, so pause the video till here. If you have any doubts or difficulties, you can surely ask me. Okay, guys, now how to find this cube root of 9.261? So if you do not know, don't worry, guys. You can do simply like this way. Okay, 9261 divided by cube root of 1000. And I know that it is 21, so I could write. But if you do not know, don't worry, guys. 9261, you can keep doing that. Okay, 21. That means this has to be divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 3 zeros are and 3 8s are 24 and 3 7s are. Many people write 387 and then the sum entirely goes wrong. 3 1 0 20. Okay, 9, and I guess 3 you can divide for the 3s and mm, well 3 4s and then 3s and then it is 7, isn't it? 7, 8, what is that? Okay, could be 49 and then that's 7 and then that's 7 and then that's 7 and then that's 1. I hope you understood this. So it will become cube root of 3 into 7. So you can write that 3 into 7 upon 10. You can directly write it on that too. Okay, so this will become 21 upon 10 and then that answer will become 2.1. In case, guys, if it would have been negative, you could write over here negative 2.1 and all step mein negative negative. Bas, kaam khatam. I hope you understood that, isn't it? It was not as this as the sum, but I just put it so that you could understand it. Okay. Now, if you were to find or if you were to figure it out, find the cube root of such a huge number. Right? Question number 7, and the sum is something as cube root of say 700 into 2 into 49 into 5. Now see, people, look, understand, this is very very simple sum. We'll have to just put it into the, it is given in the pieces format. We'll have to just fix it up in the proper normal format. Okay, now you must be wondering, how should I group it? How should I group it? Okay, no worries. If you don't know anything, no problem. This can be done as 7 into 7, isn't it? So I'm writing that 7 into 7. This can be done as 7 into 100, isn't it? So I'm writing that 7 into 100. And then that, okay, I finished these. And then 2 into 5 can be done as 10, isn't it? And if could not fix that also, you can simply keep doing prime factorization also, guys. Okay. So this will become cube root of 7 into 7 into 7. So you can write 7 cube into cube root of, it's 1000. So it is 10 cube. Okay, did you understand what I'm writing? I'm just writing in some different way, but I hope you understood that. 7 into 10, and then the answer is 70. I hope you got that. Isn't it? Isn't it very, very simple? Okay, just the different style of writing. Student want teaching with this different styles of writing, because sometimes some examiners or some teacher teach you like this way, and in the school teacher, they teach you something different format, and then oh my god, Prashant was teaching so simple and I don't understand all these things now in the school. Now what should I do? What should I do? What does Prashant was right or my school teacher is right? And then they get you know confused. So you should not be getting confused. It's simple. It's just the same thing. 7 3 times है इसके लिए 7 power 3 लिखा and cube root है इसके लिए cube root लिखा. That's it. And cube root of 7 cubes I just showed you in the beginning itself. Isn't that can be done as simply 7, and then that's all. 70. I hope you understood this type of sums also very well. And now, okay, if there is, okay, this was sum number one of type one, I mean of question number seven. Okay, there is one another sum. I'll just take it. So square root of negative 64 into negative 125. Now what will happen? Okay, it's not square root of, cube root of. Okay, so it will become cube root of, okay, 64 into cube root of 125. Now where those negative negative went? Negative into negative positive. So I just chucked them out. Okay. So what is cube root of 64? Guys, have habit of writing these three again, and I'm telling you again and again. I'm telling you, have habit of writing this cube root of 64. So it is simply 4, and cube root of 125 will be 5. So it will become 5 4s are 20. I hope you understood this one also perfectly. And now it's time, guys, to teach you that the trick how to get the cube root of 7 digit or 8 digit number in just 3 seconds. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, guys, as promised you all, towards the end of the chapter, I'm giving you the trick. In 3 seconds, you can find you can find any 6 digit or 7 digits or 8 digit numbers cube root within 3 seconds. You can find the cube root of 6 digit number in 3 seconds. That was a, promise, isn't it? So let's fulfill it. Students, what you'll have to do, I'm teaching the trick. Listen very carefully. Okay, cancel these last 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. In each here. Okay. And then now, what is this ending? The ending number is 9. That means there has to be 9 over here. And this is 8. That means 2 has to be over here. Are you getting it? Okay, this is 8. So this is 29's cube. Are you getting it? Okay, is it 29 cube? Okay, I told you I doubt this answer. I seriously doubt. But anyway, we'll move ahead. We'll move ahead. What will happen with this? Okay, if its ending digit is 9, I'll write it over here 9. So this 3 digits got cancelled. Okay, now this 970 is very close to these two numbers, isn't it? 729 and 1000. So I'll take the uh, lower number. So that is 9. So I'll write over here 9. So this is 99's cube. Are you getting it? This is 99 cubes. Or you can say cube root of 9702 triple 299 is just a 99. I hope you understood that. Okay. Anyways, if you have not understood, you can pay attention over here also. Okay, one second. I'll just clear this part of the board. Okay. If you have not understood, this is one more or two more sums I'll do for you all, and then we'll probably stop this video. Okay. So these are the last two sums. Okay, I'll help you. The unit digit is 5, so I'll write 5 over here. Okay, unit digit is 4, so I'll write 4. 4 ends over here with what? 4 ends with over here 4. So I'll write 4 over here. You understood? The unit digit, you'll have to see the unit digit, and you'll have to see over here the unit digit. Okay, unit digit is 4, so then the cube roots end with 4. Unit digit is 5, then cube roots end with 5. You understood? And now cancel last three digits. 1, 2, 3. Cancel last three digits. 1, 2, 3. And now what is this? 166. 166 lies between which number? Over here. So what is the smallest number? The smallest number over here is 5. So right over here 5. Okay, 795. 795 lies over where? It lies between the 729 and 1000. So the smallest number is 9. So right over here. And I guess that's all. So I gave you the answers of all the questions till now. Isn't it? Within 3 seconds, we could do all the sums. I mean, each and every sums we could do within, or we could crack within 3 seconds. I hope you understood these methods perfectly. Okay, now someone wants to try it out. You can try it out these 1 and 2 numbers for you all as a homework. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. We will start a new video with the new and fresh chapter. So I hope you enjoyed these cubes and cube roots perfectly, and you learned the all concepts very nicely, and you are finding now maths is very simple, isn't it? Show thumbs up if you have liked it, and if you have not liked it, keep watching this video and rewinding this video, and uh, play pause and keep writing, guys. Keep making the notes. If you'll make notes, then only you'll enjoy the math. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. I hope you liked it and you are very happy now, isn't it? So see you in the next video with one another uh, next topic.